This is my new Roshni Sounder. It's a European-style fire alarm, and we hooked it up to 3 9-volt batteries. That creates 27 volts. So here goes. Next.
Test number 1.
Next. Okay,
So,
now the switches.
Hit the dip switch. It doesn't matter which one?
No, it's just gonna... I don't think so.
Okay, so... dip switch on the far... Well, it's not even moving. These dip switches are like really hard. Holy cow.
I think you push rather than...
Oh, got it. Yeah, it's a push dip switch. Ready? New sound. Go.
Now the next
Okay,
part...
Hold on a second. Maybe that was the way it was. Some dip switches are sliders.
Okay, you're good. There we go.
Okay, so next dip switch. Ready?
Yep.
Wow, that's irritating. So, okay. Let's see what this does. Okay. So this dip switch. I mean, there's so many combinations of the dip switches. We're not going to do them all.
Whoa! That one...
Okay.
That one was irritating.
Okay. Gotta get your attention to.
Code 3.
What do you mean code 3?
Where it's 3 in a row and then it stops and then 3 in a row again.
Is that a common
Yeah,
name?
a lot of alarms use that, even in the U.S.
Okay. Okay, so another dip switch. See, we have 5 dip switches, and you know, you could do one, leave the other, but 5 times whatever.
5 factorial.
5 factorial gives you how many?
5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1.
So that's how many types of sounds
5
you
times
would get.
4, 20, times 3, 60, times 2, 120, 120.
120 different sounds, or that one didn't make a sound, but 5 factorial, huh?
Whoa!
Okay, that's cool. I like that one. See, there's one dip switch I haven't even touched because it's right behind the wire and I don't want to break the wire. But let me try that. Okay. So, what got you interested in these alarms, Chris?
Cubs Rule 2040. That's Matt.
Cubs Rule 2040. Is that when the Cubs are going to win the World Series?
That's his username.
Oh. I'm running out of different sounds, but maybe I got dip switch that's like a... Sounds like a French police car. Alright, is that enough?
Yeah, that's enough.
Because I don't want to get 120 different sounds or whatever it equaled out to.
I don't know if there's really 120.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
So any closing comments?
This is for Cubs Rule 2040. This is for Cubs Rule 2040 once again. Okay, thanks for watching.
Yeah.